In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your phone number private. You probably are concerned of privacy and you don't want the receiver to see your number when you place a call. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your phone, navigate to the call dialer and tap on it. This will land you on an interface like this. Proceed to the top right corner where you see these 3 dots and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this. Scroll down a bit until you locate supplementary services. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. It will redirect you to an interface like this with a tons of options. Make sure to select on show caller ID, and with this selected you have the option to hide your number here. Make sure to toggle this on. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Hence your number is hidden in outgoing calls. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.